In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect door controller in Rust. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly set up and wire door controllers in Rust. I'm gonna teach you how to do a proper circuit and use multiple of them. There are various ways to power them up. For this video, I chose to showcase them with solar panels and a battery, but like I said, you can use whichever option you prefer for power output. So, for everything, you will need a wire tool. The wire tool allows you to connect all of these devices together to make sure that power or electricity is fluctuating between all of them. So using the wire tool, grab your power source, such as the solar panel, find the electrical output, and you will be able to connect it to something like a battery. So in this example here, the power output from the solar panel is going into the battery. So essentially all that you have to do is connect the out to the in. With the battery receiving power, you will be able to connect it to something like a switch. So for this scenario, we're going to have a switch that opens all of the doors. So once again, using the wire tool, you get the power out of the battery and you connect it into the power in of the switch. Then finally, with the power out of the switch, you can connect it to something like a splitter. You don't need a splitter if you only have one door controller, but in this example, I'm gonna be showcasing how to set it up with 3 doors. So with the power going into the splitter, you now have 3 power outs that you can use. So imagine that you connect them like this, and you will be able to power all these doors at once when you flip this switch. So all that you have to do now is make sure that they are properly paired up with their doors. They are going to pair up to the closest door. I recommend that you put it on the corner or the border of the door that you want to use with the door controller. When you place it here, all that you have to do is first unlock the door, and then you will find the option to pair when you hover over the door controller. Afterwards, remember to close the door and lock it again, but you need to unlock to pair it first. With all of them paired up, you will see a green light indicating that you are good to go. So when you see the green light lit up like this, it means that they are ready on standby. And now you can finally initiate the circuit. So by flipping the switch, so essentially when the switch is turned on, the power from the splitter will be sent over to all of these door controllers and they are going to sequentially open the door. If you flip the switch off, the power will be cut off again and they will close, or vice versa. Basically, I'm giving you a very broad explanation, but the point is that the switch will control if they are enabled or disabled, essentially opening and closing the doors. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect the door controller in Rust. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.